So do you also use Justdial to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Justdial leads to Pipedrive. So like you, I also use Justdial to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Justdial, I want to add the lead details into my Pipedrive as a new person. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Justdial and Pipedrive, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between Justdial and Pipedrive. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect, using which we're going to create this connection. But before we move on further, I'll show you something very helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join Pabbly community today. So let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and over here we're going to get two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. But over here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. Now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So let's click on this access now right over here to access our Pabbly Connects account. And once we click on this access, now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Connects account. And after opening this dashboard of Pabbly Connects account, we have to go towards this create workflow. It is asking me to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want to try it and test it setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new one. So let's go on this select of the new one, select the folder and enter the workflow name. So as you can see that I've kept my workflow name and the folder. So over here I have created multiple folders, and if you also want to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, go on this create new folder button and create one. After entering all of these details, we have to click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. Now for the trigger application, we have to search for Justdial and select Justdial. For the event, we have to select new leads and click on this connect. Now it has given me the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your Justdial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Justdial, because Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to your Justdial point of contact or the backend team of Justdial or account manager from Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL, automatically the details of your lead will be started coming over here as webhook response, and your workflow is going to get triggered. I have already added this webhook URL in my Justdial account, so let's capture this webhook response, which is the details of my leads. Alright, so let's capture it. And as you can see, 4 seconds ago, we have successfully captured the lead details. You're going to see the phone number, the name, the email address, the company name, and the area. So now let's add these details into our CRM, which is, let's say, Pipedrive. Alright, so let's close this, go towards this, click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, we have to search for Pipedrive and we have to select it. For the event, we have to select it as create a person and click on this connect. And once we click on this connect, it is saying select existing connection or add a new connection. So if you have already created this connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to click on this add a new connection. It is going to ask you for the API token, and to get this API token you have to open your Pipedrive account, go towards this profile picture, then personal preferences, and then towards this API. And once we come on this API, you're going to see that over here is my personal API token. So we have to copy this token and then we have to paste it right over here in our workflow. Alright, so let's paste it. After pasting this, we have to click on this button which says save, and once we click on this save, with this we have successfully created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter all of these details one by one, like the name. So I'm going to enter the name, but we are not going to enter the name manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's the reason why we map the details. I'm going to only map the details which are required, like the name, email, phone number. As you can see, for the label I've selected hot lead. If you wish, you can definitely enter the rest of the details too, but these are not required. I'm going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new person in Pipedrive. So let's open our Pipedrive account, go on the left end of the site towards the contact section, and as you can see over here, a new contact has been added using the same details, the same name, same email address, and the same phone number which we entered. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Justdial, within seconds and in real time, a new person will be created in my Pipedrive account too. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow link in the description box below so that you can access my workflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.